Now we will discuss about APS, air preheater, support bearing, lubricant, cooling circuit, cooling station. So this is a support bearing lube oil cooling station. There are two motor, there are two pump A, pump B. So any one of the pump running condition when APS running, because in APS air preheater there is a two bearing, one is guide bearing, another one is support bearing. For guide bearing and support bearing, lubrication system is essential. So when lubricant oil use in a bearing, then this lubricating oil should be cooling for recirculation, for reuse purpose. So this is a lubricating oil cooling system. This is a water circuit, pressure measurement gas. This is a water circuit, especially SGDMCW water is used for cooling lubricating oil. So there is a two line, one is inline and another one is outline, return line. So in return line there is a view glass. It is a very easy process to identify line which is enter in a heat exchanger and which is exit from heat exchanger. So this is a heat exchanger. These two line, one is coming and one is enter and one is exit. There is a pump, there is a filter. This is a very common phenomenon. Every system filter is used for separating, for removing unexpected particle or foreign particle. So there is a pressure gas, temperature gas for measuring pressure and temperature. So there is a line coming from bearing, and after cooling, recirculating again and again. So this is a APS support bearing lubricating oil cooling system. Okay, thank you for further power system equipment knowledge. You can subscribe this channel. I will try to share knowledge about power plant equipment and accessories. So now I will also talk about some piping system. There is a flange. In a flange there is a rubber this between two flanges, one rubber gasket is used for sealing purpose. This is a gate valve. This is small gate valve. This is this is for future purpose. You can take new line from this bulb. This is a pump running condition. This is a reducer, especially when pressure increase or decrease, reducer should be used. Especially we know divergent and convergent, when need to increase velocity and reduce pressure, then convergent is used, and when pressure need to increase and velocity should need to reduce, then divergent is used. This is a heat exchanger. We know different types of heat exchanger, especially two types of heat exchanger is available, largely used. One is parallel heat exchanger, another one is counterflow heat exchanger. When fluid when cold fluid coming one direction and hot fluid coming reverse direction, counter direction, then this system is known as counterflow heat exchanger. When hot and cold fluid coming enter and exit parallelly, that means hot and cold fluid enter in same side, same direction, and exit same direction from the system, from the device, then this system is known as parallel flow heat exchanger. When counter direction, known as counter flow heat exchanger. So heat exchanger is largely used in power plant, because in every system lubrication is available, and for cooling purpose of lubrication, lubricant oil. So there is cooling circuit is essential. So heat exchanger is available. Pressure gas, temperature gas. There is a thermocouple. We know thermocouple used for sensing temperature. There is a thermocouple. Pressure gas. This is a glue bulb. This is very interesting when bulb lower side is like this shape, like a groove, then this bulb is known as glue bulb. There is a view glass. Okay, thank you everyone. I will try to share knowledge about power plant equipment accessories. So those who are interested to know about power plant equipment and accessories, running system, you can subscribe this channel. So thank you for staying with us.